leaving Plantation Island, going over the bridge onto Yacht Club on East Seaview Drive. Final paving has been completed. Lines have been painted on the streets. Got reflectors. All the side streets, such as Banyan, Croton, have all been redone. With their paving and their striping. Passing Pine Tree. And Cypress. Then Jasmine going onto the circle at the end of the island. Really nice to have Duck Key back close to how it was. The roads are even better than they were. It's been a long process, with the exception of the middle of Center Island. It's pretty much complete. One curious thing they've done out here on Yacht Club is they've paved and lined the streets and have dotted lines, the second half of the streets, that lead to the canals. Hopefully no person who has been out enjoying adult beverages will think it's a passing lane and end up in the canal. But I don't know how they would have done it differently. Going back out East Seaview back towards the bridge. And there you have it. Back on the bridge, heading back on the plantation.